we were doing the fourth one, children. I'm sorry, there was a certain disturbance. We were doing the fourth one. This figure I made now. This one. This is 1 and this is 2. Are they adjacent here? No, they are not adjacent. Why? Because one angle is the interior. This angle 1 is the interior part of angle 2. Yes, so they are not adjacent. So you can write the angles overlap. No, because we have to justify also our answer if no. No, because the angles overlap. Okay, no, because the angles overlap. Then fifth one is yes, because fifth one is something like this. Iska ulta. Aisa. This is 1 and this is 2. So yes. Okay, so fifth one is yes. Then we do the second question in the given figure 5.10. Are the following adjacent angles? Let me make the figure first. Let me make the figure. So, first one, AOB and BOC. AOB and BOC, are they adjacent? Yes, they are adjacent. You can see they share a common vertex, they have a common arm. Yes? Now B. Angle BOD and BOC. Angle BOD and angle BOC. Angle BOD and angle BOC. No. This is BOD and this is BOC. Are they adjacent? No. Again the angles are overlapping. ना वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ जाएंगे. Right? So no. One angle is the interior part of the other angle. So our answer here will be no. Then you can again write the same thing. No, because the angles overlap. So this completes the second part. Then there is another topic in the same exercise, I should say, and that is something like this. Now suppose these two are angles 1 and angle 2. Okay. Now if you do angle 1 plus angle 2, can you tell me what should be the total? Are you sure about the total? If you add 1 and 2, what you will get? You will get this. Yes, that means straight angle. That means 180 degree. Right? Now, let's take another example. Let's take this example. These two are lines. An angle. This is 1, this is 2. If you add 1 and 2, if you measure and add 1 and 2, and will you get the total as 180 degree? Will you get it? No. Okay. So such angles, you can say these are adjacent angles. So the adjacent angles whose sum is equal to 180 degree, those angles are known as linear pair. Okay, linear pair angles. Linear pair angles are also those angles which are formed by a straight line. Two angles which are formed on one side of a straight line. That is why they form a straight angle when you add them. Okay, so whenever you are adding two adjacent angles, okay, and the sum is 180 degree, then such adjacent angles are also known as, what are they known as? They are known as linear pair. So these two are adjacent angles? Yes. But are they linear pair? No, you will make out. It will be some obtuse angle but not a straight angle, because this is not forming a straight line. These. Yes? That is why this is not a linear pair. So a linear pair is a pair of two angles whose sum is always equal to 180 degree and the two angles are always adjacent. in the midst of try these today. Let's accomplish our goal. Page 99. This is try these again in the book. So we have to check whether the following angles are forming a linear pair or not. So these are the figures. Let me draw the figures. This is 40. This is 140. This is 90. This is 60. This is 90. This is 80. This is 65. This is 115. So we have to add and find out whether the total is coming 180 or not. Here if you add these two, total will come 180. So it's a yes. Here if you add, the total will come 150. So it's a no. Here whether you add or not, they are not linear pair angles. Because nothing is common. Means they are not adjacent, so they are not. Here also if you add 180, so it's a yes. So this completes the first part of the try these. Oh, we completed try these. Then we do the next part of new topic. You're going to mark these definitions in the book. You're not going to write. Suppose this is a line. Can you see? This is a line. Yes, let another line intersect it. Yeah, these two lines. They are intersecting at O. Yes. So, are they forming any angles? Yes, they are forming 4 angles. Here you can see angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Now, you can see angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite. है ना, vertex से opposite है. Okay, so angle 1 and angle 3 are known as vertically opposite angles. What are they known as? Vertically opposite angles. Similarly, if you see 4 and 2, again they are vertically opposite to the vertex. Yes, so 4 and 2 together, again they are known as a pair of vertically opposite angles. So such angles are vertically opposite. Such angles are vertically opposite. Now can you see any linear pair here? If you talk about 1 and 2, they are linear pair. Similarly 3 and 4 are linear pair as well as adjacent angles. So what is a vertically opposite angle? A vertically opposite angles, vertically opposite of vertically opposite angles are angles which are formed by the intersection of 2 lines. Or you can also say when 2 lines intersect, then the angles formed by them are vertically opposite angles. Then there is again try these in page 101, which we are going to do once again. Try these in page 101. In the given figure is drawn. Let us draw the figure. This is a figure. Something like this. This is 3, this is 2, this is 1, and this is 4. Let's assume it not written, so we can write. Angle 1 is given 30 degree, angle 1 is 30 degree. We have to find angle 2 and angle 3. Okay, now angle 1 is 30 degree. So angle 3 will also be 30 degree because angle 1 and angle 3 are what? Vertically opposite angles. Yes. So I can write that. तो इसको 4 नहीं भी बनाएंगे तो कोई बात नहीं है, कुछ पूछा नहीं है. So what we write? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, which is equal to 30 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Yes. Also, angle 1 plus angle 2 will be what? 180 degree. Why? Because they are linear pair angles. अभी पढ़ा हमने linear pair angles. So we'll put the value of angle 1. We are going to transpose 30 degree this side, so it becomes negative. So the value of 2 is what? 150 degree. So angle 3 is 30 degree, angle 1 is 30 degree, and angle 2 is 150 degree. Now this is 150 degree, so this will also be 150 degree. So this completes the trivies. Question number 1. Question number 2 is give an example for vertically opposite angles from your surroundings. You can say about 2 staplers. Yes, if you take 2 staplers. Got it? एक स्टेपलर को अगर हम ऐसे लगा दें, something like this, या 10 स्टेपलर को ऐसे, yeah, so you can get 2 vertical opposite angles from here and from here. Yes, so example is stapler. You can write. Now exercise 5.1 we are going to continue tomorrow.